Hello, everyone. This is Angelique with Ghost Trades, and I want to speak with you regarding last week's market and what we have to look forward to coming up this week. Now, as everyone probably knows by now, we did raise interest rates a bit, but due to some of the talk on the bank bailouts or lack thereof, we had a major sell-off followed by some crazy volatility the week before last. And last week, there was a lot of congressional testimony regarding the banking debacle and the Fed, but nothing really came out of it. So that was a bit hawkish for the banking sector and overall markets as it's since recovered from the insanity of the previous week. Now, it seems it decided things are a bit stable for the moment, and I don't think whatsoever that is it, but that's just me. We are absolutely not done with all the banking nightmares that we've been seeing. With consumer confidence on Tuesday, the market rallied a little after the announcement, but it didn't hold throughout the day. And later in the week, jobless claims came in a bit higher than expected. The PCE report, which is just another inflation report, kind of like the CPI, but instead it's actually based on personal spending, came in lower than forecasted. Also, while the GDP and the CPI index numbers weren't insanely horrible, that doesn't mean a recession isn't coming. So we did have the news, well, the opinion that was shared from our illustrious Fed members that we should only have one more rate hike this year, which seems that it made the market a little bit happy. So go figure. Now, on the technicals, by no means am I saying that it's time to get excited, but not only did the 396.49 downside gap fill not happen, but we ended March pretty nicely. In fact, we've broken through some strong resistance levels, and we might see a bit of a rally coming up, just a little bit. So overall, the rally started a week ago Friday, and after a little hiccup at the beginning of this week, we ended the week pretty nicely with the 408.14 gap side fill being hit up on its way. As for this week, the first week in April, early this morning, the St. Louis Fed President Bullard will speak, followed by the Fed Governor Cook, speaking shortly after the market closes. And additionally, we have both the S&P final U.S. manufacturing PMI, as well as the ISM manufacturing to keep an eye on today. Tuesday this week, we'll have job openings with ADP non-farm and ISM services PMI on Wednesday. We also have jobless claims on Thursday. And then finally, this will be a short trading week due to the market being closed on Good Friday. However, non-farm payroll and the jobless rate will still come out that morning as in its normal time of 8:30 Eastern and 5:30 Pacific. So overall, April is usually a strong month, but these sure are some strange times we're going through right now. So we'll see where this goes. And with that, be sure to practice by taking trades on a demo or practice account at the moment. And please let us know if you have any questions along the way. And until next time, happy trading.